What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to repost someone's Instagram story to your story. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Suppose you go to someone's story and we want to repost it. So for this we can do two things. First, we can ask these story holder so that they can allow us to repost it, and they will DM us and we just can repost it. And there is another way, we can take screenshot of it and then suppose I take a screenshot and then I'm going to go to my story section, head over to camera, and I can repost it like this by clicking on your story. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.